Good morning, everyone.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
What happened? There's no energy today. Where are the energy?
No, because I woke up at 4 a.m. to eat food and then I slept again so that I would be happy at morning.
Oh, Amila is calling me.
Maybe to make you like into the call. Take her into the call.
Take her to?
I think it's because she wants to get into the call.
Like last time I cannot take, right? She should know that. So, how is your day going? Amila has joined. Amila, why are you calling me? You're supposed to join assembly, right? What happened?
What are you wearing? It's scarf. For Ramadan? Yeah.
That's nice.
I don't usually wear headscarves, do I?
Okay, Amila, please turn on your camera. Guys, time to earn some stars. Are you ready? Let's plan an assembly program. Ready?
Amina, it's Ramadan today. Yeah.
Okay, tell me a topic that we should do. Shall we do health and diseases? Okay, so for what do you want to do for our assembly program? You have choice. Milan?
Huh?
Milan, stop playing in the lab. I'll make
I
you show.
wanna
I wanna. I'm writing it down. Haya wants to.
about like bird and stuff. I read. Ma'am, I want to learn about Black Panther.
No,
Is that
our
possible?
topic is diseases. Health and disease. Okay? Health.
Okay, then I would like to learn about. But you're not our English teacher. Any
I'm not the English teacher. I'm talking about assembly program. Weekly we have two
assembly?
assembly,
I
right?
will do health diseases.
What you are going to do in that? That's what I want to know.
I'll do thought.
Thought is
I
the
will
easiest
do.
one. Haya is doing easiest one, okay? Haya will do the thought. Okay, Amila, what about you? Milan, share your entire screen, please.
I will do health and disease. I will add there what disease are there, how we will cause disease.
Okay, so Amila is going to share information. Sounds good? But
Yes.
don't make it like too much of looking and reading entirely. Just add points, you have to explain. No looking and reading. We don't want that. Understood?
In Canva.
You can do in Canva if you want, but it should not be like line by line you're looking and reading. You
Are,
can.
um, are you fasting?
No, I'm not fasting. I'm a Hindu.
I'm fasting. It's two. Yesterday I fast. Now I fast.
You have to do for the entire month, right?
I'm fasting.
Milan, what about you? Milan is not fasting, right? Milan is with me, I guess. Yeah, Milan.
I am fasting
You're fasting? Why you're fasting?
because since I want to because I need to I don't know. I don't know for what reason I'm doing this for.
Okay. Milan, tell me what program are you doing? See, if you three will present tomorrow, you three will get the star because you came for assembly also.
The presentation?
Amila already did that. You're a bit late.
What can I do then?
Can you do?
Which presentation, ma'am? Which one?
How about Milan? You do the riddles. Will you do the riddles?
Can you give me something about animals?
Topic is health and diseases.
Health and I took it
So you
already.
can ask. For example, I'm giving a simple one. Okay, cold. Give four options. What is the symptom for cold? One should be correct, rest three will be wrong. Or you can give three options.
Like in Wait, can I do the quiz? Can I do the quiz?
Haya wants to do the quiz. So
I'll
Milan.
do the quiz, ma'am. I'll do the quiz. No, no, no. I already took it.
No,
I said I'll do the Reddit.
you took the thought first, right? Milan will do the quiz.
But how many questions in total?
10.
10. Can I make it 9?
Do you want to do the thought, Milan? And
Can I make it 9? Can I do the thought?
you are doing the thought, right, Haya?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then I should do a thought of the day for any section 3.
Find something if there's related to disease. That would be great.
Okay.
Amila, you're doing presentation. Milan quiz. Haya, thought. Ayman, good morning. You're late. Like assembly is about to end.
Ma'am, I am doing health, right? And I'm late.
Yes. Milan, sorry. Ayman, please turn on your camera. What are we doing for assembly? Haya took the thought. Amila took the presentation. Milan is doing the news. Would you like to do the news?
I am, ma'am, in Canva, right?
Canva, but remember, Haya, sorry, I'm mixing up name. I'm so sorry. Remember, Amila, you cannot look and read completely. Like you can put 2-3 lines, but no fully looking and reading. For example, it is written and you're looking and reading. That we can also do, right? You have to explain.
Or you were saying when you're copying from Google.
You can take information. Don't ditto copy paste.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Can you take pictures from Google?
Yes, you can take pictures. You can take a picture of a person wearing mask during COVID time. And what virus is this? Sounds good? Will you do the news? See, we are starting the star system again. It is zero for everyone. No one has any star. So this is your time to earn stars.
Ma'am, why did you do stars?
Because last time Amila became the star student, right? So I think next student should also get a fair chance.
I don't want to be a
so many
star.
black stars. You want black stars?
Yes.
I have nothing to say. Okay, news, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, what should I make?
News.
That is.
Find out the latest news which is happening globally and in your country.
Ma'am, I think I did it already.
You have done it once. So next person is doing. Okay, sounds good. See, you have to present tomorrow. Haya, don't charge. We have to present tomorrow. And those who are presenting will definitely get a golden star. Sounds good?
In pictures. I'm there before yesterday. I couldn't join the assembly.
Of the competition yesterday. Unfortunately, no one from our class got, but Alpha is first. Zanubia is second from PYB1. Hawa is third from PYB. First is
Lego competition.
Lego competition, Lego Masters.
Who is first?
Alpha.
What did Alpha made?
He made like a castle in which there is a secret space. The secret space will open up. Person can go inside, hide, and
no, that Zenobia did.
Zenobia also made, but Al-Fatih also made that. Similar to that, but Al-Fatih was more creative. It was like bigger and more spaces were there, more doors were opening. The presentation was very done. Yes, you also did very well, okay? Yours were also very nice. So first I thought Amila will win, but later Al-Fatih came into the scene. So good job, Amila and Milan. Okay, ma'am is here. I'll see you later, okay? Don't forget our assembly. Raise your hand to talk. If you're not raising, and ma'am is telling me you will get a black star. So remember to raise your hand to talk. Don't ask ma'am. Okay, bye guys. Ta-da. Bye ma'am.